Do that one now. Now stop. Let me try something with this. What if we tilt it a little more? Then I'll try it. Tilt it a little more. Could I do something with this? Try that. Do the other one. Can you stop for a moment? No. Now try that one. Just as low as it can go. That's funny. I know. Let's try this guy. Let's see if this one even makes a sound. Even though it's not so nice. Wonder if this back knife sticks. Look, this knife also sticks. Does this make a sound? Well, give it a try, Mama. That's funny. Let me do. What about, I know. What about these guys? Let's see what these guys do. Let's see what these guys do.
That one doesn't work.
Let me try. Let me do it. It works. This one.
How about this one?
Can I try? Maybe could you move the bright light? That's better. Did you try this one? Can I try? Can I try something? Can I try one? No, a different one. I want to try this side. Can you move these? This one works. Play this one, Mama. Mama, play this one. Ooh, I know. It's going backwards.
wait. I'm not done with that. You shut that.
Let me do this one. Let's do this one. This is really a good orchestra to start videoing. Ooh, let's make the nutcracker work. It sticks. It wants to stick, but it's too heavy. You see it? Ooh, ooh. Those are too heavy. Too heavy. I have to throw in a brick. That one doesn't work. Not very well. What about this nutcracker? Oh, that's way too heavy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What about this? So now let's do our orchestra, right? Do our orchestra. This needs a big that. I know. This will be our